Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from this particular tutorial, let's begin with the React.js. So what is React.js? React.js is a JavaScript library. So where we can build in single page applications. So which it will be giving the particular good UI design for the particular users. So it is a single page application when the particular user doesn't want to refresh the particular pages, and if they want to avoid the particular connection between the client as well as the server, so they can save the particular bandwidth over here. So at that time we can just go ahead with the React.js application. It is a very rapid fast, so it is a component based over here. So the main three important architecture of the React.js is, the first one is a declarative, and the second is it is a component based, and the third one is once we have been written any component, we can just use it anywhere. So what all the pre-requirement of the to start a React.js application? Here we need to have a npm to be installed, that is a Node.js. Then just we can just use the particular command. So npm React.js of a particular command, we need to use it so to create a React application. And why we can just go ahead with the React.js here is, so you can see the normal website, so where the particular pages will get refreshed, and the bandwidth will be going high over there, and it will be having little slow process over here. So but if you want to have a single page application, we can just use the React.js for the front end part. So in this entire playlist, I'll be showing you how we can install the particular React.js thing, that is the npm, and we'll be creating our React.js applications, like a number of projects we are going to see in this particular playlist. So let's begin with the simple React.js application. So first we'll see how the installations can be done. So then we'll build a particular simple React.js application. So in the coming days, we'll be saying what is the props, what is the state, and how we can just use the Redux and the RJX. All those things we'll be seeing over here. So let's move on to the coding part. Okay guys, so let's see with the installation procedure right now. So if you just open the reactjs.org, you can just see the official documentation of the React.js. So where we can just see, you can see here that is JavaScript library for the building the particular user interface, that is for the front end part. And here the three important thing, that is a declarative, component based, and we can just write once and use it anywhere. So we'll be seeing how to create a single page application component, and we'll see how to display the hello tailor over here. So this is the way how we can just use the particular thing, and we'll be seeing with the particular entire coding part. So we will be seeing in the state full component, we'll be seeing with this particular example itself. So it is just showing the result for the particular seconds or getting increased. Then we'll be seeing the another project, that is a to-do list. So if I just add over here, you can see the things is getting added. We'll see how it works. Then at the last, we can see here whatever the things we are typing inside the particular text editor, the thing is been getting displayed inside the output over here. We'll be seeing this particular project too. Okay. So coming back to the concept installation, you need to have a Node.js here. Just click onto the Node.js/org/en/downloads. You will be opening this particular page. You can download for the particular operating system of your device. I hope you are very expert to download the particular Node.js, all those things. So just install the particular Node.js inside your system. So once you have been installed, just open the cmd command prompt. You will just tell node -version. So if I just see 14.17.5, okay, great. So we have been downloaded the particular Node.js and we have been installed. So I have already installed, so I am not installing again and again. So this is how you need to have it. You can download the Node.js. So next you need to have an editor. So here the VS Code I'll be using for the typing the entire code. So VS Code will be using it. So for the VS Code, you can just visit this particular site, core.visualstore.com/download. So you can just download for the Windows or Mac or Linux. So normal installation, there is no any settings, so just install normally. Okay, so once you have been installed Node.js as well as a VS Code, so now coming back to the how to create a React.js application. You can see they have been said here recommended over here. So they have been said what is how to create a new React.js app. So this is a official documentation, so where every developer will be using the documentation and learning by themselves. So here this page describes a few popular React toolchains. So scaling to many files and components. So we'll be scaling a number of components, like suppose navbar for the alert message, we'll be creating a separate alert component, or for login page separate component, for the form separate components, like that. And we'll be using a third-party libraries for the npm. Suppose we need to download, we can just use the Bootstrap for the styling purpose. So I can just tell npm install Bootstrap, so third-party application we are using over here, and detecting the common mistakes early. So all the mistakes, whatever the things we have been done, it will just display over there. So small mistakes doesn't run the particular application over here. Okay, so we can see live edit in css and the javascript, and optimization output for the productions over here. Okay, so these all the React.js functionalities, and they have been set recommended tool. If I want to create a single page application, I can go ahead with the React.js. When we are interacting with the server as well as the Node.js, we can just go with the Net.js and Gatsby, and same for the more flexible other tool chains. So let's see how to create a React application over here. So the best way to start building a new single page application in React is we need to have a node that is 14.0 over here, and npm of 5.6. So we need to have this as a requirement, and these all the particular commands where we need to run the particular node, the particular React.js app. So I'll just come back to the new folder over here. So I'll just open my CE drive over here. So I'll just create a new folder over here. So I'll just create the particular new folder. I'll just tell first React 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 app. So I'll just tell first React app is my folder name. I'll just open this folder, and this particular folder I'll just open inside my Visual Studio Code. I know all of you guys how to open a particular folder inside the Visual Studio Code. So, or I'll just open the VS Code, whichever you have been installed, and you'll be having the option of file over here. So you can just click onto the file, open the particular folder, and you can just select as whichever the folder you have been created. You can just open like this. So you can see first create app folder has been open inside my VS Code. So now I'll just open the particular new terminal over here. So I'll just open the new terminal. So the new terminal is been open. So this time I'll just choose the command prompt over here. Okay, so I'll just select the particular terminal as a command prompt. So here I need to just run the particular command. So I'll just copy the same. I'll just tell npx create React app, and whatever the name you want to give, you can just give it here. So you can see npx is a command, create React app is a one more keyword, and my app. So my app is something like it is my application name. So you can give anything. Okay, so there will be some naming conventions will be there, you need to follow it. So just give the particular any name of your React application. So the my React app will get installed. So it will be taking the few minutes of time, like it takes a little bit time to just create install all the modules, all the particular things. So it will just create automatically defaultly over here. Okay, so by that time I'll just introduce with a few of the stuffs. So now why we are using the React.js application, suppose I'll just say you one example over here. So I'll just show you the one website which I have been developed. So if I just say here as motors.com. So if I just open this particular site which has been developed using the React.js for the front end part, and it has been, and we have been used Django for the backend. So we'll see how the things will be having. So it is so you can see once I open the site, so you can see this is entirely developed using a React.js for the front end part. Okay, so where you can see it is just refreshing. Fine. So now we can see we have got this site over here. So here we have a card, we have about login page, all those things. So same way I'll just open one more website. I'll just open the getbootstrap.com. okay, getbootstrap.com. okay, so I'll just open same particular website. So I'll just close the another whatever the header parts are there, I'll just close it. So here I'll just open the forms in the getbootstrap.com. okay, so here we have a two sites over here. I'll just close this also. So I'll just have a two sites over here. So when I developed using the particular React.js, and the second one is used normal HTML, JavaScript, and one of the backend language. So here you see if I just open the home page, you can see the thing is been getting refreshed, and it is taking few of the seconds to load the particular page, and it is just taking the particular user the particular interactions, like it is just spoiling the particular movement. Okay, so same way if you have the React.js, see here if I just click onto the cart, you can see how quickly the particular component is been loaded. If I click onto the go back, you can see in a fractions of milliseconds the page gets open, and that is why we are been focused morely on the React.js, and it is a single page application. So here in the page, if I just open this particular app, you can see the navbar is constant, and even this particular footer is also constant. So what in the React.js we are going to do here is, so whichever the component is been there, we will be just changing the particular state of it. Suppose the now particular state of this component is a home page over here, and we are loading some of the home page products over in this particular section of the middle section of the website. Now if I just directly click onto this particular site, everything will be the same. The above part as well as the below part will be the same, just one particular component. Suppose we have all the product page, and we'll be having a single product component JavaScript file that we are just loading inside this particular site, so which makes it very faster. And we'll be using a JavaScript thing over here, and the React.js the particular syntax to do all these things. So this is how it is most popular over here. So you can see so quickly you can just open. You can see login page has been there, register. If I just click, in the fraction of second, just the component is getting changed, not everything, it is just getting changed over here. Okay, so that is why we will be going, and the particular experience of the design or experience of the UI is 100% you will be loving, or you will be loved it if you just use this React.js application. Now what all the technologies is been there in the current world, so what all the many like in 70% of sites are there inside nowadays. All 70 to 80% website is been developed using normal HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'm not saying like HTML is waste, CSS is waste, so everything we will be using in the React. Just the syntax will be different. It's just a library of the JavaScript language, okay, scripting language. So in the other page also we'll be using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Even we are be using over here, the thing is what we are using one external library, that is npm, that is React.js library, so which is going to give us the more good user experience in the websites over here. You can see same thing, it is just getting refreshed, all the things will be getting refreshed. And the main important thing over here is it will reduce the particular bandwidth from the sites. So if you are hosting the particular website, so we need to pay monthly over there. So same thing, if I'm using this site, easily I can just reduce the particular bandwidth over here. If I'm reducing the bandwidth, vice versa, we are saving the particular money. So particular bill will be get generated in particular monthly or year wise, like that. So we are just saying the particular amount of certain amount of money, and we are giving the good user experience also, and the things will be having very rapid fast over here. And these are all the functional of the React.js website. So this is why we have been using it over here. If I just come back to over the terminal now, so you can see it is still installing the particular things. It will install the n number of dependencies, packages, files, and number of things it will just install. Then it will be giving me the particular all the particular structure of the React.js things. So we'll wait for the few minutes, and we'll come back once it is been installed, once it is been done. Okay guys, so you can see all the dependencies, everything has been installed. So all the particular things has been installed over here. So you can see we got the node modules, we got the public folder, and we got the src where our app particular component everything has been there. And the node modules is a folder where all our dependencies, all the particular third-party libraries is been getting installed. Now let's see how the particular things works. So now I want to just run the particular I need to just start the particular site over here. So now to start the site, I need to just come inside the folder. I'll just tell cd the particular my app over here. I'll just tell cd my app. So I'm inside the my app directory. So now I need to just start with the command npm start. So if I just tell npm start, the particular things will get started. So as per the React.js documentation, so you can see if I want to just run the particular if I want to run the particular site, I need to just if I just see here, create the new app, you can see here they have been given. So npm start. So npm is nothing but a node package manager which will be allowing to start your application over here. If I just open here, so you can see it is just starting the particular scripts, all the things will get loaded over here. So here we have the public directory. So you can see we have an index.html over here. So which index.html page will get loaded. So here you can see all the links have been there, and the title is been given as a React application. So here it will just take the particular ID that is a root, and it will identify the particular app component of the root, and it will just load the particular page of it. So if I just see ID is equal to root, so from here it will just go to the index.js file. So where our React application will get loaded. You can see app will get loaded, and it will be just taking the get element by ID, that is a root, and it will just go to the app.js from here. So what all the things is been there written here. So it will just return all this particular thing. Here we have an image, and we have a learn React, everything will be there. So this particular page will get loaded over here. So it is connected with all the index.css, all these logos will be there. So this is how the structure of React.js will be there. So you can see it is just starting the development server. So once it has been started, we can just see our React.js application over here. So let's wait for the second. So you need to have patience when you're doing with the React.js. It doesn't happen rapidly, so you need to wait for creating a React.js app, then starting the development server. So at the starting point, then it will be very fast. So just have a little patience. So let's see how it looks. So let's wait. Okay, so you can see we have been gotten a particular local, and you can if you are connected with the same Wi-Fi, even you can view the particular React.js with this particular IP address in your mobile also. So if I just copy this URL, http localhost, the particular thing, so I'll just copy this one. I'll just come back here. I'll just paste it here. So sorry, not here. I'll just localhost. So at the port number 3000. Okay, so if I just localhost at the port number 3000, I'll just remove this slash. So you can see the React app is been getting opened over here. So you can see React app is been opened over here. If I just refresh again, so you'll be able to see localhost at the port number 3000. You can see the React.js app is been loaded over here. So we have been created our React application successfully. Congratulations guys. So I have scheduled the structure. It just look onto the index.html, it will look for the id root, it will go to the index.js, and it will just take the id element root, and it will run the app. It will just go to the app.js, and whatever the component function, it is a function based component app is been rendering it will just return everything over here. If I don't want to return anything, I can just remove everything over here. If I just tell h1 hello world, if I just save like this, so what will happen? So if I just can see hello world is been getting displayed. So everything, this is how we can just do with the React.js application. And along with that, we will be seeing the components, how to create a components, how to create a navbar, how to create a footer, how to use the bootstrap here, and how to create a fully fledged websites. So we'll be looking into my next videos. So thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. In this entire playlist, I'll be teaching the React from the 0 to hero level. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.